If you're going to improve transportation lead times and the number of deliveries per day, you need to find the most effective method of transportation and the most effective route of transportation. One consideration is to locate yourself closer to your most critical vendors or try to set up systems like vendor-managed inventory or vendor-managed consignment. Both of these systems allow these privileged vendors to have a spot right in your factory and manage deliveries, inventory, and quality for you. Don't forget that the vendors who aren't situated in your organization or close by should still review delivery routes and ensure that they are fair for both parties. Offer tools like GPS and provide guidance on what routes might work the best. These vendors and suppliers may want to look at moving away from direct delivery methods like point-to-point delivery and find ways to build partnerships with techniques like circuit deliveries. Other options are to establish 3PLs and 4PLs who can likely set up distribution points and partner with other transportation agencies. Remember, improve those transportation routes and you will indeed reduce lead times and increase the efficiency of your supplier relationships.